used to think that only the people in my life found me annoying. But that was before I discovered owning cats. With owning cats, you get to literally be the reason why this creature is alive and still have them resent you. Plus, with owning cats, you're finally able to have a combination sandbox and toilet in your house. And with owning cats, you don't need to worry about taking care of your houseplants anymore, because your cats will eat them and then conveniently vomit them onto your carpet. Try cats today, because it's hard to feel lonely